Lower lethal temperatures. Insects become less active at the temperature below the optimum range. They can't move for some time. Insects remain alive, but because they can't move and unable to feed, they starve to death. Insects from warm environment often die quickly even at temperatures above freezing because of the accumulation of toxic products or some other metabolic disturbances. This is a graph. Fall in temperature, temperature activity, decrease in temperature, increase, then no activity, and then to death. Periplaneta dies at 38 degrees centigrade at high humidities, but can survive up to 48 degrees centigrade if the air is dry. Glossina survive for a few hours at 5 degrees centigrade. Locusta does not feed below about 20 degrees centigrade. Locusta does not feed below about 20 degrees centigrade. Apis honeybee in winter, their workers can't resist cold waves and they can't survive. Because of the temperature below than their optimum range. So the temperature that is lethal to insects below optimum range is known as lethal temperature, lower lethal temperature. This is the lower limit because insect can't survive below the normal temperature. It is not because of the temperature, but they can't move and they unable to feed. So without any food and without any feeding, they starve to death. And because of their less activity, they can't move from one place to other place. And second factor is accumulation of toxic products, and there are many metabolic disturbances at low temperatures. So this is known as lower lethal temperature. There are many examples: Periplaneta glossina, Locusta apis, and also other larval forms and other things. So this is the temperature. Below this range, insect can't survive.